Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to review the G602 wireless gaming mouse from Logitech. And we're going to go and open up the Logitech G-HUB software to get the best out of this gaming mouse. But before that, let's do the unboxing. Now let's talk about how the mouse feels like. It has a very decent weight. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. I have a very good feeling that I'm going to be enjoying this mouse for general purposes. I would say I'm not too intense with the gaming or first-person shooters or all of that. Could be used for editing, but I was considering getting the Logitech MX Master 2S, but that's like twice the price of this mouse. So I mean, I always want to go and try out the underdogs first before actually going to like a higher tier wireless mouse. So I'm very happy with this purchase, and let's continue. Oh, and another thing that actually caught my eye in getting this mouse is having these 8 customizable buttons, and I'm going to show you later on how we can do that through the Logitech G-HUB software. This mouse already has 2 pre-installed AA batteries, just in case that you might forget to buy in the store. Don't worry about it, it's already in there. And on the box, it's going to show that it already has it pre-installed. I love freebies. Like, who doesn't like freebies? Let me just peel this off before we proceed. Now in this mouse, there are 2 modes that I'm going to talk about in a bit. I'll go in depth with it, don't worry. Let's just proceed to the next item out of the box. Next we have the receiver extender cable. This is where you put the 500 Hz wireless mouse receiver and plug it to your empty USB slot on your computer. This is a good option to actually if you do have some interference with the signal, but if you're approximately closer to your computer with the USB mouse, I don't think you really need this, but it's good to have, just in case. Now let's go through one of each button that is actually on default preset, which we have the G10, which is DPI up, and the G11, which is DPI down. G6 is for the battery level, and G4 to G9 is customizable through Logitech G-HUB software. Next we have the modes. Green is for endurance mode, which saves a lot of more battery and usage, while blue is for performance mode. Well, I wouldn't say that it's going to waste a lot of battery, but I think it's more of like on the gaming side when using this wireless mouse. But so far, this mouse has really good rating. Either or performance or endurance, you're still going to be saving a lot of battery life. So don't worry about it. Use it as you please. It shouldn't be a problem. Now let's proceed to the Logitech G-HUB software. I'm going to post a link to the official Logitech website where you can get the Logitech G-HUB software. So basically in this software you can customize each button to your liking. There are shortcuts in there that you could use like for your editing software and multitasking purposes. But this doesn't limit you to those things. You can just put any command that you want to put in. You can link it to your game. So actually when you play the game, you already have your presets ready. That's what I like about this mouse. You have a lot of options and versatility. You can also customize the DPI speeds and the tracking resolution for your mouse, which is about 250 to 2500 DPI. Now if you get this mouse and you play around with Logitech G-HUB software, it's so easy to use. You'll be customizing all these buttons, all like the usage, DPI for everything real quick. So if you consider getting this mouse, I'm going to post a link on the Amazon affiliate link on the description. This has to be like one of those inexpensive wireless gaming mouse out there that's worth checking out. So if you do own this G602 wireless mouse, leave a comment down below, share your experience with us. For me, this is a really great buy, so we'll see in the long run how this actually turns out. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for your support, and I will see you on the next video.